the power of subtitles for your YouTube videos. 1. Boost accessibility. Subtitles make your content accessible to the deaf and hard-of-hearing community, ensuring everyone can join in on the fun. 2. Increase view time and engagement. Subtitles help keep your audience hooked longer, significantly boosting your video's view time and engagement. 4. Improve SEO and discoverability. Subtitles can give you an edge by making your content searchable by keywords mentioned in your video, enhancing your SEO and helping new fans find your channel. 5. Cater to the silent viewers. Subtitles are about making connections, breaking down barriers, and sharing your amazing content with as many people as possible. 4 ways to add subtitles to YouTube videos. So what's the best way to add captions to your videos? From DIY to high-tech solutions, there's a method for every preference and budget. Let's explore some of the options. 1. Manually typing them out. For the DIY enthusiasts out there, you can go old school and type out your subtitles directly in YouTube's video editor. 2. Automatic captioning by YouTube. YouTube offers an automatic captioning feature, using speech recognition technology to generate subtitles for your videos. 3. Hiring a professional transcription service. 4. Using an automatic subtitle generator like Submagic. No matter which route you choose, adding subtitles to your YouTube videos is a game changer. And with Submagic, you get the ease of AI with the flair of customization, ensuring your videos stand out in the global YouTube arena. Benefits of adding subtitles to YouTube videos with Submagic. With Submagic, tapping into the magic of trendy and accurate subtitles is not just easy, it's lightning fast, thanks to AI. Imagine boosting your engagement in just 1 minute. Sounds like a dream? Well, dream no more. Unmatched auto caption accuracy. Submagic isn't just any subtitle tool, it's the best in the biz, with an auto caption accuracy that's hard to beat. Boasting over 99% accuracy in 50 languages, Submagic ensures you won't be stuck editing subtitles for hours. And if there's ever any doubt about the auto-generated a word, it'll shine in orange, catching your eye and making adjustments a breeze. Fancy subtitle templates in 1 click. Ever watched Alex Hormozy or Mr. Beast and wondered how to get your subtitles looking just as slick? Submagic's trendy subtitle templates are your answer. With over 15 themes ready to go, your videos will be echoing the style of famous content creators with just a click. Why should you care? Tried and tested. Templates loved by famous content creators. Ready to use. 15+ subtitle themes ready for you. 1-click templates with room for creativity. Animated emojis and sound effects. Submagic does more than just add subtitles. We transform them into focal points of engagement. By automatically finding and highlighting keywords, you can use animated emojis, GIFs, colors, and even sound effects to draw attention to the crucial parts of your message. It's about making every word count. Why is this so freaking cool? Emojis galore. Sprinkle your videos with over 3,600 animated emojis. Emphasize with ease. Make key points pop with just the right touches. How to add subtitles to YouTube videos. 1. Upload your video. Hit Create My Video now. Upload your clip and select the video's language. Let Submagic work its magic. 2. Edit your subtitles. Whether you're adding a splash of color, emojis, or picking the perfect font and animation, Submagic's real-time edits mean what you see is what you get. 3. Export your masterpiece. Once you're happy with your subtitles, simply click on Download to export your video. To try Submagic for free, click the link in the description. If you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, make sure to use my code to save 10%.